contestant number 1 on regular American Idol. Our first contestant of the day is Mercy Balderrama. Mercy, tell us about yourself.
Oh, wait.
Hi, my name is Mercy Balderrama. It's actually Mercedes, but I have people call me Mercy. I am from Mesa, Arizona, and my favorite sport is volleyball, and I think I'm better than most of these people on American Idol. Seriously. But today, I'm going to be singing No Air by Jordan Sparks and Chris Brown.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Alrighty. Hold on. Having technical difficulties. Ready?
Yeah. If I should die before awake, it's 'cause you took my breath away. Losing you is like living in a world with no air. Oh, I'm here alone, my heart will move, will stay complete. Is there another way that I should make you understand? But how do you expect me to live alone, just me? 'Cause my world revolves around you, it's so hard for me to breathe. Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air. Can't live, can't breathe with no air. That's how I feel, wanna know you ain't there. There's no air, no air. Got me out here in the water so deep. Tell me how you gonna be without me. If you ain't here, I just can't breathe. There's no air, no air. No.
That was great. Randy, what do you think?
When she came in, I thought she was gonna sing bad. And she was like, BAM! I say yes.
Simon, what do you think?
I thought it was fabulous. I mean, the voice. I think you were the best one we heard all day. Can I have some of that popcorn, please?
Thank you, Simon.
Okay, Kara. I thought you were wonderful. I say yes, you're going to Hollywood.